Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, June 21st, 2024. Let's find out what is the altcoin of the week on Zondacrypto. This time is Pepe, the meme coin, and we are looking at the daily time frame chart of Pepe to Tether. As you can see, we got very interesting situation here on this coin. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you guys can see the current little bit bigger picture. We got the price of 110 rising very rapidly towards basically mooning towards some ridiculous levels. Then we got the movement to the downside. We are going to take a look at this situation here, here. So what I'm going to apply now are the basic lines here because it needs to be sorted out first. So 1081 is the first level of the technical support. From the technical point of view, that technical support should not be violated too much. As you can see, somewhere here might be located the other technical support, and it works pretty well for us so far. Let me just add the let's say some sort of the rectangle, green rectangle, so we can see that demand zone. The demand zone is needed for us to be sure where is the demand zone and how it was created. So that's the zone. That's the zone here. Maybe I will just change this color to a little bit lighter. There you go. And of course it's been done because of this candles here. So we got the demand zone, and the reason for that is of course that situation here, this spikes to the upside, and then this spike here, test, and then movement back up. Now that's the first thing. The second thing is we want to know how much did we retrace recently during the correction. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take the Fibonacci retracement level and apply it for the next for the last swing up. So this is the swing up, right? And we can see straight on that we retraced almost 61%. We retraced between 50, which is 1094, and the 61%, which is 939. Okay, so it's somewhere here. So let me just apply this. Maybe I will just do it the other way around. Let me just move this Fibonacci tool a little bit to the right, so we don't need this levels whatsoever. So we can untick this level, and then we are on the right. So very nice zone. Very nice zone built from the technical supports, supply zone, and the two Fibonacci levels, 939, 1094. Very nice zone for a potential reversal. And the other thing is, if we take a look here at the situation with the highs, let me just move it like this, and I will make it black. So you can see it clearly that this market might be moving in some certain way, maybe building some sort of the wedge. It's not maybe perfect wedge because Pepe is not that much let's say liquid. But if we do something like that, maybe something like this, it's a kind of a wedge. So my point is that the market has been moving to the upside, right? From this lows, it's going to the upside. Now we got some sort of the correction going on up to this zone in form of the wedge. So we should be prepared for if this demand zone and the Fibonacci zones, all in all, this big green zone is respected, eventually we should see continuation of the up move. Someone might even see some sort of the flag pattern here building up on the Pepe daily time frame chart. So that's basically the scenario that we have here for our let's say for our market, for Pepe market. Up movement, pullback or correction, and preparation for the other for the up movement continuation. One tool I would like to apply is of course the RSI, one of the indicators, and this indicator is showing us the market is coming off extremely overbought conditions, right? Somewhere around 1323. There is still some room to the downside here before the market will hit the extremely oversold conditions. Fine, there is still some room to the downside here, so the market can go even towards 939, which is the 61% Fibonacci retracement. When we are done with this, right, when the market will go lower, so let me just do this. When the market will go lower, somewhere here, right, somewhere into this area, we should be prepared for this market to possibly move higher from this area here and continue the uptrend. So that's the scenario, that's the plan for Pepe to Tether at Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.